Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, enter settings and go to display section. Here we've got all settings for our display. At the top of the screen you can change between light and dark mode, and we can schedule it. Then we can change brightness level, set it automatic, or turn on sunlight mode. Next we can turn on or off reading mode. We can change refresh rate, color scheme, text size, select when device is in VR to reduce blur or reduce flicker. We can select full screen modes for app and turn on or off auto rotate screen. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.